Hi, I am Alexis Tovar, and this is my two UDL reflections and why I picked them. So the first UDL reflection I chose was for week 2, and it was a s'more. This was I believe, the first s'more I created. I've never heard of this application until I got to this classroom, so I really enjoyed it. And I'm still learning more about it too, about the application and what different things you can do with it. So this was my favorite one, just because I love being creative and stuff, and you could be very creative with this application. Add pictures and titles. I was very simple with this one, but I don't know why I didn't use it a second time. I guess I was just saving it. And so this was about diversity in the classroom, so the involvement, social justice in the classroom, the universal design for learning in a classroom. Then I provided some pictures. And so the second reflection that I love is the memes. They always made me laugh, and it was always a great time creating them. And this one was for week 7. And it was about scaffolding. It was like, why make learning boring when you can make it fun? It is important to engage students with your lesson. What scaffolding can look like in the classroom. And it's like these students working together, and then the more students are engaged, the more positive outcomes. And I always enjoy the meme reflections because they're always just fun. I know I did another one, but I couldn't find it, so so that's all I have for my two UDL reflections that I picked. Thank you.